In this video, we are demonstrating Seebeck effect and also Peltier effect. Seebeck effect is a phenomenon in which when a temperature difference is maintained between cold junction and hot junction of a thermocouple. Look here, this is a thermocouple. This is cold junction and this is hot junction. Now the temperature difference between them is very less and you see the thermo EMF currently set up between these two junctions. Now I have connected an LED bulb also to the two ends of the thermocouple. I am going to place this above candle flame. So this hot junction will be exposed to candle heat. It becomes hotter. So temperature difference between the hot junction and the cold junction will increase. You will see that through this multimeter. Now I am putting it here. Yes. Now I also have a water bottle to put water drops on the cold junction to keep it colder. This further enhances the thermo EMF. Now you can see the voltage is increasing. I'll put it still close to the candle heat. Now see, it is already 1.7 volts. LED bulb has just started glowing. Look at this. See this, when the thermo EMF is around 2 volts, the bulb semiconductor diode LED is glowing. Now I allow the temperature to reduce. You will see bulb turning off at around 1.6. I'll put few water drops on the cold junction. This enhances the temperature difference between the two junctions, and again the thermo EMF has increased. See, it is now around 1.9 volt. The bulb is glowing. So by maintaining suitable temperature difference, electricity can be produced. Very important application of this apparatus is in space probes. Currently the Perseverance space probe cruising towards Mars has radioisotope with it. When it lands on Martian surface where solar energy is relatively lesser, this principle is used to generate electricity. The radioisotope decays and produces radiations which heat up the hot junction. So the temperature difference is set up between the two junctions of the thermocouple and electricity is produced. So this can supply electricity up to 900 watt to the space probe. The Martian rover, it's a robotic vehicle, it needs more than 500 watt for many years. This generator, thermoelectric generator, will provide it. I'll again put some water drops on cold junction. See, now I turn off the candle flame. We will see Peltier effect. Peltier effect is opposite of thermoelectric effect. I'll take the thermocouple, connect it to a voltage source. See, now this thermocouple has come to the lab temperature. I have this 9 volt battery. See, this thermocouple, now when it is connected to a voltage source, now there is no temperature difference between hot junction and cold junction. When I connect it to a power source, voltage source, now you can touch this and feel the temperature difference. This junction is cold junction. If you touch it, it appears colder. You can use temperature sensors and you yourself can experience. This side becomes hotter. This is Peltier effect. When a potential difference is applied across the thermocouple, it causes temperature difference between the two junctions. So this phase is becoming colder and this phase, part of the hot junction, is becoming hot. This is Peltier effect.